Hey, good morning. Welcome back to a new video here actually in Bangkok next to Suvarnabhumi Airport. And today's video, guys, is gonna be one of the most exciting videos because we are about to embark on a 30 hours journey on one of the world's safest and the most expensive airlines. And not just that, today is the day that we are gonna be flying to a new country, a new continent. 2 consecutive years here in Asia, we are jumping between the countries, and actually tomorrow we're gonna be flying to another country and to another continent. So finally we're saying bye to Asia for this trip. So we would like to share with you guys this journey of this flight, one of the most expensive and one of the most safest airlines in the world. And you might say, oh, you guys have money, you guys are paying this airline or something like that, but not really. This is one of the plus that this hostel has. It has a rooftop where you can enjoy the airplanes are landing all the way here, and it has this view over over the road in the other side. And actually you have another view here. Now it's midday, so it may not be an ideal because it's really hot. This is view over this is the road, and you have a just right 7-Eleven just right here, and this is the other side of the road. So we're gonna go and sleep a little bit and get ready for tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Suvarnabhumi Airport right here. So we're here already. We just left our hostel and we just check in. We passed the immigration, and we're here at our gate waiting for the boarding. The boarding is in an hour, so we're still here waiting. And today we're embarking again, as I mentioned before, on one of the most safest and expensive airlines in the world. We're embarking on a 30-hour journey on the Etihad airline, which is an airline that belongs to United Arab Emirates. I was walking around and checking all the stores that they have in this airport, but it seems like everything is expensive here. The airports in South Korea, you find even like convenience stores, like the ones that are outside, and you find you find similar prices. And here, you don't find that. All right, the only thing that is cheap here, guys, that I see is the stoving machine. Let's see if we can get a coffee. All right, your coffee is being prepared, guys. They even tell you the time here. They tell you already in 66, 65 seconds. And it's being prepared here. And they even show you here how is the coffee is preparing. They show you the machine. I don't know if it's exactly how it looks like from the inside, but they put the coffee here, they smash it, and just get a coffee. Our gate is F6, so just need to go this way, and we're good to go. Boarding time. Let's go. This is actually our aircraft here. It's a huge one. Look at Vera, she's excited. Get our bag. We get ready with so many things here in Thailand that our bags are really empty.
Thank you.
Boom. Let's go. Look how she's taking the bag. Doesn't weigh anything.
Sorry, thank you, sir. Can I help you? Thank you so much. Oh, I'll take it one.
Well, apparently this is business class. This is nice.
We are already in our seats. We're gonna take off to Abu Dhabi in the Emirates, in United Emirates. But we are flying with Etihad, and we love it. We're gonna unbox what they offer you. Free items, that is an unboxing. So they give you a grocery bag. This says Etihad Airways. And oh, nice special edition Manchester City FC livery. Oh, nice. So you have to cover your eyes to sleep. You have some lavender hand cream. You have two. Oh, they give you two. And then you have the earplugs, very important when you're traveling. And this is a grocery bag. Look how cute it is. I love the colors. And it's your favorite color, our favorite colors. Yusuf, his favorite color is blue and mine is white and yellow. And look, this one is blue. It's super cute. Our favorite colors. Yeah. And then you can carry with you.
She loves grocery bag so much. Now she has two. She can take mine too.
And this flight, guys. But in the next one we're gonna have two more. So this is the gift that we're gonna give to our families when you arrive.
We didn't need to wait.
And then you have some headsets, the old school headsets. Let me see this. Oh, okay. This is really nice. But it just works with this system from their system, so you cannot take them. So it seems that they recycle. The interesting thing about this grocery bag is that it is recycled from plastic bottles. Isn't very lovely. And then it says here, because they say the journey is more important than the destination, we hope you enjoy this complimentary gift from Etihad Airways. Use it, love it, and reuse it. But please leave your blanket on board. This bag is made of plastic bottles. Another complimentary gift is this pillowcase, I guess. That's the blanket, guys. The blanket is the blanket is as well. It's not a complimentary gift, but it's a special treat that they give you to cover yourself where you are in the flight. But please leave it. And it goes here, guys. It goes. So it goes this, connect, and then it's.
Alright, this is the meal, guys. It just arrived, so we order. So they have chicken rice, they have pasta, which luckily they have because Vero is vegetarian. So that looks delicious though. And they give you some salad. They give you, what is this? Like a dessert. It looks delicious though. It looks really delicious. They give you also a little bread. It's right here, and you put some butter. I think they have some butter there. She's putting the cheese on the bread. On the little
cheese, this is butter.
This is butter, sorry.
But the butter is so the butter is so cold.
Let's unbox my food. Let's see what is in there. Alright, this is my plate, guys. This is chicken and the rice, and that's it. Look at her, guys. Look at her playing Ono. Look at she's playing this type of game. Good morning, guys, and welcome to UAE. We are here in Zayed International Airport here in United Arab Emirates. We arrived yesterday, and we actually sleep. We arrived yesterday and we sleep. We just woke up right now. Today is 12, almost 1 a.m. in the morning. So we're about to board on our second flight. I wanna show you guys like a glimpse around here, around the airport, and show you guys how it looks like, because it looks really nice. It looks like a huge mall, like a very huge like mall, complex mall. So look at this shape first. This airport is huge, huge. Let's see. Man, this is crazy. This is one of the biggest airports that we have in Tokyo. And it's so big that you find everything, all the international brands and all the international like markets, restaurants, you find them here. So look at this area. It's a very modern and new, clean airport. Let's go this way. This I want to show you guys a place here. Look at all this experience Abu Dhabi, and you have in like this. If in case you get lost or something, you have these maps that shows you everything, or you are looking for something. Like you have there Starbucks, McDonald's, all the brands there. So they give you the map exactly where every brand is or where every restaurant is. So if you want to go there, you can just this map is gonna make it much more easier. And you find these traditional restaurants. So one of the things that is pretty cool here. Look at this, like really nice. And you have other ones here. And look what they're right here. All right, let's go. All right, let's walk this way. It's pretty much big, guys. It's huge. Look at this area. And let's walk a bit here. Man, it's like a very busy airport. I mean, there is so many things that you can do here. So many things. Look at this. You have even some like this terrace from the top there. They can just go and enjoy there. This is huge. And you have even a camel here. You have a massive camel here. You have another camel here. Look at that. And you have even if you want to wear like Arabs here in the Middle East. You can just wait and look at this. That's nice. This is massive, guys. Welcome to Zayed International Airport. This is crazy. One more thing that I want to show you guys. There is some stairs that you can even go upstairs there, so you can have the wider view over this space, this area. So let's try to do that. Let's go on top there. Man, we spent like 14 hours here and it was so long. Fortunately we sleep a bit, and I sleep a lot actually. I knocked out. So we're just gonna walk all the way up here so we can have a view over the airport. Look at that. Even the shape of the rooftop of the roof is really nice. This is how it looks like from here, guys. This is the Zayed International Airport here in UAE, in Abu Dhabi. And you can even go to this side. Let's see what else we found. Actually, if you want to, this is immigration. This is actually the immigration. In case you got lost or something, you come here if you want to do the transfer or whatever. If you want to live somewhere, let's go down. And from here you have the gates B, C, E, F. So you can just follow the sign. For us, we have B, so we need to go this way. So it's pretty much easy. And you have D in the other side. So, and you have the banks. And one of the things that I like about the banks here, even you have Apple Pay. Even if you don't have your credit card, a physical card, you can just withdraw with your Apple Pay. So you have some coffees. Yeah, this is huge. This is Starbucks. A mini Starbucks there. Alright, so this is it pretty much, guys, for the Zayed International Airport here in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. So we see you guys actually yeah, we see you guys after 8 hours. The next flight is gonna be 8 hours. So we're gonna share with you guys also the experience inside the next flights, because it's gonna be also some facilities. They're gonna give food. They're gonna give the same thing, the blankets and all the things. So, but if there is anything different, we're gonna share it with you guys. The boarding is just started right here. You see all the people are on the line, so let's go. This is B12, this is our gate. And it's apparently closed. I hope it's automatic, it opens automatic. Otherwise, it's not good. So many people. Alright, let's go guys. Vamos. Are you ready?
Chalo.
Are you ready?
Huh?
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's see, because it's gonna be almost 9-hour flight.
9 hours, fine.
Yeah, almost 9 hours. That's why I was doing exercise for my feet.
Still waiting, still boarding.
We're boarding.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's so late.
She didn't sleep, guys. I sleep more than she did. So
Yeah, you sleep like 10 hours.
yeah, I knocked out because there was that place. It's
Yeah,
like
it was
a
comfortable.
It was like a comfortable sofa there. Not a sofa, but it was like 2 chairs that you can like stretch yourself. So I knocked out. She's gonna sleep at the airplane. So
Hopefully.
yeah, you should get some sleep because of the jet lag. Because coming from Southeast Asia and South Korea, actually, there is a huge difference there.
And when I woke you up in the middle of the resting time,
Yeah.
you said, no, it's not the time.
Really?
That's not true.
Did they say that? Well, it was.
Your jet lag
That
was
was,
already.
Yeah, I was like upside down. My brain was like trying to. Okay, it's night or
day,
day.
afternoon.
Should we sleep or should we wake up? All right.
Yeah, but it has been.
Huh?
It's already boarding, so.
Yeah. What is everything going on? So we see you guys at the airplane.